Hi, my name is Rowyn Stoltz. I run a business called Black Unicorn Auto. I'm based in WorkPods in Midrand, and I'm a grease monkey. So, yeah. Basically, it started in 2020 in COVID. The place I was working for before, they had to take a percentage of our salary. So I approached the company and asked them, listen, can I just do private jobs and stuff? And they said, yeah, sweet. So it all kind of started from there, and then one of my colleagues opened up Black Unicorn, and then he immigrated. I took it over, and 4 years later I'm still going. So yeah, very grateful for that. It is just so convenient, and I must say it's such like a little community we've got going here, because everybody helps everybody else. So it's almost like like back in the day, like we knew our neighbors and neighbors, and if you need some sugar or whatever, it's the same type of principle here as well. So that's really awesome, and like from a safety aspect as well, I can leave here, know everything's going to be fine, there's no issues. So in that sense, it's also really black, and they really want you to do better and just succeed in life, So yeah, more to I like helping people, and I feel like with what I do, I'm grateful that I get the opportunity to use what I know to be able to make a difference and just help people with certain issues because some people, they don't know much about cars. Something happens and they freak out type thing, because they don't really understand that it could be quite a quick and easy fix, and they don't have to worry about it too much. So a lot of times I try and advise the customer what we do and what has to happen. I guide them through the whole process if they uneasy about what's happening or if they're not sure. So I also like sharing my knowledge. So yeah, it's a double whammy.